Good morning and welcome to Curtis's Crash Course YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing how effective the scrubbing bubbles work. Here is the shower beforehand. As you can see, there's some dark areas. That's the before. Next comes the scrubbing bubbles. Going down, they're starting to scrub. You can hear real good coating on the dark areas. And we'll come back in about 5 minutes. You can really see it begin to scrub on the wall. Have the electric scrubber all extended to 42 inches, ready to go, fully charged. We're gonna turn it on and start scrubbing. It's got 2 speeds. Here's the regular speed, and we're gonna ramp it up to high speed. Okay, look at us go. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah, it's taking it off. Look at that. Oh man, this thing's amazing. Wow. Oh, look at that dirt washed away. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Oh, this is a good combo. Scrubbing bubbles. We'll get back to when we're done. Gleaming white result. Look at this. It is almost like new. It's gleaming, it's shining. And I'd like to give a shout out to this electric brush. It's really amazing. Made the job super easy. Look how clean it still is, even though it got rid of all that. And I'm gonna sign off now. Here we are in the gleaming shower, scrubbing bubbles. And electric brush. This thing can do just about everything except for don't brush your teeth with it. It's a little too big. Even though people say maybe I've got a large mouth. Anyway, have fun. Bye for now.